I'm just about to reveal how you guys can earn hundreds of dollars on userinterviews.com by just submitting your honest opinion, so let's give it a try. And I'm not kidding. Take a look at this. Share your opinions and get paid. It is that easy. But we're gonna dive in a little bit deeper and try to see how we can maximize our profits so we can take full advantage of the website if possible. Now, to simplify things, you're going to earn money for your feedback on real products. But we're not just talking about physical items delivered to your door. We're talking about everything ranging from digital products to websites or physical items. And they have over 2,000 different studies on a monthly basis, so there is no shortage of opportunities. There should be enough studies for everyone. But all in all, we can narrow the whole process down to 3 steps. First off, you need to create your profile. And this is when you get to submit your information. And based on your input, user interviews will assign you to a specific demographic. And that's how you get studies that are suitable for you. You can also apply to studies, and sending in an application shouldn't take longer than a minute. So you should also consider that. And eventually, you show up at your desired time and get paid. You will get paid within a few days, so you don't have to chase around your client to receive your payment. User interviews will make sure that you get paid. And now guys, if you're wondering whether this is a legit website or it's just some big scheme, well, let's take a look at this. As you can see, they've got a few positive reviews on their website, but we cannot just take this for granted. We're gonna take it with a pinch of salt and take a look at some other unbiased reviews. If you connect to sidehustlenation.com, for instance, it says that User Interviews has paid out over $15 million in incentives to their users so far since 2016. So there's a lot of money on the table. If that still doesn't convince you, you can keep on doing a little bit more research and try to see for yourself whether or not you trust these guys. But what is for sure is that they've paid over 65,000 participants last year alone, and the average study pays over $60. Now, this one is a big one because most websites that promise to pay you for your opinion are not that generous, to put it simply. They will never pay you $60. Not only that, but you get to share your opinions with top brands because they've got some really big partners. But now guys, let's go a little bit more specific. What kind of studies are we talking about? What do you actually need to do in practice? Do you need any qualifications, any degrees? Do you need to travel to a physical location? Well, let's find out. We can break it down to 5 different categories, ranging from online tests and surveys to online diary studies or online focus groups. And as you can see, each and every single one of them will have a specific payout rate. The online tests and surveys can take as little as 10 minutes of your time, or they can take as long as several hours. But the payout will also be according to that. Online interviews can also take up to 2 hours and pay you up to $300. And as you might expect, these ones will have a higher degree of difficulty. The online focus groups will take a little bit longer, but again, we're talking about a pretty generous payout. And at the end of the day, you're just doing the same thing, letting people know what you think about your products and services so they can improve them, because that is the purpose of user testing. That's why they are paying you, so that you can submit some genuine, honest feedback that is going to help them out. If you're able to point out a certain problem, something that you don't think is quite right on their website, for instance, they can go ahead and fix it. And that's why your opinion is so valuable. So having that in mind, what you want to do up next is sign up for a free account. But I'm not going to bore you with this stuff. You know how this goes. Signing up is pretty much the same on any website, so I'm not going to waste your time with that. Instead, let's take a look at some of these specific surveys and studies. Here's a clear example. If you guys have a computer with a webcam, then you are perfectly qualified for this test right here. Now, this company is looking for feedback on a website. You will be asked to do a usability test using the platform User Zoom Go, which is pretty easy to use, and they will basically observe how you use the website while you're recording your audio comments and answering questions. You'll basically have to go through a specific scenario, such as adding an item to your cart, taking a look at the reviews, perhaps placing a mock order, things of that kind. You're pretty much doing what a regular user would do when they connect to the website, right? You're mimicking the process. And the purpose of this whole thing is to make sure that there are no bugs on the website. Everything runs smoothly. The whole layout of the website is user-friendly, so people can navigate through it easily. And once you're done with that, you will get a $30 payout. In this case, it will take about 30 minutes of your time, and you can withdraw your profit in gift cards. And this was just one example. Let's move on to the next one. Here's another website review. And again, it is going to have the same kind of payout. Here's another one. And here's another one that is a little bit different. However, they are targeting a very specific demographic, so most people will not qualify for it. This one is targeting consultants consultants or financial analysts. Again, not anyone will qualify for it. This is all about cybersecurity. This other one is about gaming. So there are tests in all sorts of fields of activity. Here's another one. If you're an engineer, then they would love to get your feedback, and they will pay you $100 for 30 minutes of your time, which is not bad. So I'm sure that you get the point. Some of the studies will be very beginner friendly and very general, so you can apply and get accepted regardless of the field of activity you work in, regardless of your previous experience, and so on, while some other studies will be more specific. But now let's just imagine the worst case scenario. Let's say that you're not a professional in a certain field of activity. You're not an engineer, you're not a medical expert, perhaps you're still in college and you're looking to make some extra cash on the side. So you connect to user interviews, you complete some of these studies, but eventually you run out of options because you have completed all the studies that were available for you. Well guys, you don't have to give up just yet. As we've just seen, these website tests are available for everyone. You can conduct a usability test regardless of your previous experience or technical skills. So what if I told you there are specialized websites that focus on usability testing? Well, here's one of them. It is called userfeel.com, and here's how this works. What you want to do is click on Get Paid to Test, and that will take you to the section where you can sign up. Here is how you can earn up to $30 per test. You will conduct a usability test on websites, apps, and prototypes, and your job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, such as finding a product or going through the checkout process. In case you're wondering what the point of this process is, well, it helps the site owners fix any usability issues. Just imagine, guys, let's say that you're a company owner. You've just launched a website, you have spent thousands of dollars developing it, and then you have a bug that doesn't allow people to place an order, so you're not making any money. You cannot afford that. So it is worth it for you to spend an extra couple $100 on usability testing just to make sure ahead of time that there are no issues. That's why usability testing is so popular. It's just an essential part of the process if you want to make sure that your website works properly. And when it comes to the requirements, these are really basic. If you have a built-in microphone on your laptop, then you're good to go. And if you don't, if you're just working on your personal computer, for instance, you may want to get a cheap one for $2 and that will work. These are their words, not mine. But there's something else you got to keep in mind here. They are not looking for experts. You shouldn't just speed run through the whole test and show off how swiftly you can go through the requirements and so on. Instead, here's what they need a tester to do. You need to speak loudly and clearly into the microphone and describe everything you're doing. Continuously explain what you are doing and why. And ultimately, provide useful comments. This is the most important part. But let's talk about figures. How much can you get paid and how easy or how difficult is it? Well, 5 minutes of your time will pay you about $3. If you want to dedicate 20 minutes to the process and complete a longer test, then you'll get a $10 payout, while 60-minute tests will pay you all the way up to $30. You will receive your payment after approval about 1 week after the test to your Userfeel wallet. And when it comes to cashing out, they will send your profit to your PayPal. So everything has been taken care of. Again, guys, this is just a backup. If you're not able to get enough studies on user interviews, you may want to connect to a few other websites and not be 100% platform dependent. Userfeel was just one example. So here's another one, usertesting.com. And I'm not going to explain how this works because it is an identical process. Again, usability testing, that's all you got to do. Get paid to share your perspective, and at this point, you know how it works. Now, to be entirely truthful and transparent, your payout rates or the number of surveys you get might actually depend on a few factors, such as the country you're coming from. Some companies might only be looking for people coming from top-tier countries, let's say the United States. And if you're not based in the United States, then you may not get enough opportunities. That's something that might happen. It is an unfortunate situation, but you have to deal with it. And the easiest way to solve that problem is by connecting to multiple different websites and not keeping your eggs in the same basket. So at this point, you've got everything it takes to make it work. And all you gotta do is connect to these websites and give them a try. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.